Hungry. My birdies, just our pumpkins. Yay. Poor birdies. Eat your food. Go eat your food. There you go, eat your papa. Be some Mexicans and pig out. Pretend it's menudo. Oh, my poor birdies. We'll take turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And get out the way. Let Jules eat. Quit being a piggy. Blue. Quit being a piggy. Jules gonna jump on you. It's her turn. It's her turn. There you go. Blue. Oh well, fight it out. You gotta jump on him, Jules. Jump on him. Tell him, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. I love my birdies. Thank you, brother, for my birdies. Alright, no fighting, guys. No fighting. Oh, she gonna beat you up, Blue. There you go. Get it, Jules. Get it. A la madre. Oh, he did the glide and he slide. Why y'all fighting? Don't be fighting over the food. Y'all take turns. Roscoe Pickle Train. Bye, pumpkins. Bye, birdies. Hasta la vista, baby. Jump on her, Blue. Jump on her. Okay, bye-bye. Jules wins. Yay.